Alright YouTube, it's dark, but we got 4 of those silver salutes in this mortar rack here. I don't know if we can see it. The lighter's not working, Rick. But they're fused with the super fast. So here we go. Yeah, this is definitely going to be editing in this video.
Hold on.
Here we go, there we go. Oh, there's a car coming too.
Oh shit, they're turning. Uh-oh.
Why does it do that?
That's the red. There was only 3.
Don't go near it. Go ahead, Rick. Red round Dahlia.
Red round Dahlia.
Ricky, is that it?
Yeah.
Once you get to lit. This one's just as loud, Mikey. You?